What's up, guys? So today we're in Discovery Bay, St. Anne, and there's a gated community. It's gated?
Yeah, gated community.
Right, we're at a gated community called Out of the Blue. If you can see the sign behind us. So we're going to take a look at their model unit.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Ah. Get your view.
So today, guys, we're at Discovery Bay and we're going to view
Out
of the Blue by Keller Development.
Get your view. Real view. Get your view.
That's the box site down there. Where's the smoke?
Discovery.
Let's go by the road. We'll turn off. How to reach up here. Beautiful
It's a view, man.
view. Ocean view.
Can you imagine what I've got for them when I was right or so?
That's the model unit right
the model
there.
unit here.
So they have 3 and 4 bedrooms. This one is a 3-bedroom, I guess.
3 bedroom or 2 bedroom.
Only 3 and 4.
Get the size.
This is the very first one.
So this side.
Cool up here. Very cool. Windy. And nice. Although the sun is out, it's cool.
You're going there. So this is a 2 bedroom, yeah?
2 bedrooms, 2 baths. Also, you have 2 and 3 bedrooms.
Oh yeah.
2,
These are
3 and
regular.
4.
These are the regular.
Okay.
These are the regular. They're regular. 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, they can't go down. Inside.
There's enough of when people out with their shoes.
Yeah, nobody plays at the moment. Everybody plays now. Right.
So this is living,
So the living room.
dining over there. Dining there, and kitchen.
This one is the storeroom. That's a washroom.
With the 4 and 3 bedroom, the step, one step on the day we're going down.
Down?
Split, right, split level.
Oh, 3 and 4.
It's sloped, yeah. The land.
Okay.
Sloped,
Oh,
so
yeah,
you
yeah.
make use of the land.
So this is a back door?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're at the back.
That's the back space.
I want him to love the view, boy. View. Oh, I can't add that right at the back, though.
You can add on the regular.
Back onto the side.
Only the
One
back.
at the back. And no escalation. Come to the roof. Right, so you can't go up.
Can't go up on
That's
it.
it. Addition to the back.
That's the back part.
And this is a corner, and most of them they come and buy.
Yeah, everybody want it. Can you get more land, no?
4 bedroom one them. Corner lot.
Guys, it's 2, 3, and 4 bedrooms.
I don't think any more 4 as I said. It's available.
What is
I
that?
want to give you a
Living
part. Call Michelle and then check it out.
Right.
Yeah.
Alright, so that closet won't be there. It will be into they made a mistake.
Oh.
We go into the master bedroom to accommodate the walk-in closet. So
Also, the other units
the
won't
other
have this
units, right? The other units won't have this here.
Okay.
Inside.
inside the bedroom.
So the other units that is
But they're gonna
making
make-
now is going to be a little bit bigger than this one.
One time bigger than this. This is
Queen
water.
bed.
I think everything in here are clean.
Bathroom.
AC. You can have them install the AC for you, come with it.
Oh, so it not come with the AC?
No, I think it come with just the water solar heater on the top. But if you want the
you can get them put it in.
I know that they're building it with only the electrical wiring running, so you don't have to rewire your house. All you have to do is just install what you want.
Oh, yeah. So this is the small room.
That's the master bedroom.
My master, yeah?
With the the reason why the 4-bedroom are sold out because
they're bigger.
Right,
Yeah,
and
more
it's going to be, they have 2 master bedrooms
Oh.
in the 4-bedroom. But the downstairs, which is the basement one, would have been bigger than the top floor because it's basically this layout on top of it.
Oh.
With an extra bedroom and the wash area will be downstairs with a room and a bathroom. So 4-bedroom bathroom.
Closet. Our extra space for the top. But it have much as a 300 of them. Because it starts from all the way down at the bottom come up.
374 and pool, tennis court, basketball court, mini mart, kids play area.
Mini mart?
Mini mart. Play area, kids play area.
It's a view.
For information, contact Keller Williams Jamaica at 876-633-5110.
The view is nice, no man. Come on. You know, they could have cut up the land and sell them just like that. They could have cut up the land and just sell, lock them out and sell them. Might be then I finish off already. Come up here. Remember, so here, weird from weird up, so it make her come up, you know. Eh.
So there are 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. So there are 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, starting at 17 mil. Starting at 18 mil.
What's 17? What's 17?
Right,
but you know,
escalated
how Jamaica and the property thing, price go up very, very fast.
Right. Cost of building. Very.
Pow! And so we have a mass up. We come in.
Yep.
So that's it, guys. Out of the blue,
Discovery Bay.
Bay Center.
Yep.
So guys, this is the road leading out from out of the blue going to Discovery Bay, yeah?
So we're gonna make it on the main road from
Yeah, so this is the main road.
going on the main road.
Wow, let's do it. Let's do it. me. Right to the
Ocheria.
right to Ocheres. Nowhere to me like Ocheres.
This is the main road.
So this is the main road leading into Ocheres.
Run away main,
Guys, you're about 10 minutes from Port Seco Beach, huh? So this is Port Seco Beach over here now, on the left.